Honor's really stepping up in a big way this year. Usually Honor smartphones are seen as cheaper versions of Huawei, but not anymore. This is the Honor 20 Pro, and I think this is one of the best smartphones you can get for around 2,000 ringgit. Like most smartphones, there's always a Pro model, and in this series, Honor has launched two flagship smartphones, and that's the Honor 20 and the Honor 20 Pro. Both devices are very similar, but the Pro version comes with a better quad camera setup, a larger battery, and of course, more RAM and storage. In terms of design, the Honor 20 Pro gets a 6.26-inch display. It's quite compact and there's no notches because it uses a punch hole at the top left corner. At the rear, you get this nice glossy back. There's a subtle curve for a more comfortable grip. It uses this holographic pattern design, which looks pretty okay, but I still think that the previous Honor View 20 and Honor 10 looks better with this Aurora glass effect. What I do like is the side-mounted fingerprint sensor. It unlocks quickly and can use it with either hand. And it's so fast that you don't even realize that it's there. The Honor 20 Pro uses an IPS display that pushes a full HD+ resolution. Similar to the Honor View 20, it has a punch hole at the top for a more immersive display, and it doesn't intrude your viewing experience since the 32-megapixel selfie camera is placed on the top left corner. The display isn't AMOLED, so it isn't as vibrant, but generally it's pretty okay for me. What I do wish, however, is for the speaker to be a bit louder. There's only a single down-firing speaker down here and there's no headphone jack, so that means you have to use a dongle or go completely wireless. Oh, before I forget, the top earpiece is located right at the edge and it comes with a hidden notification light. The key highlight of the Honor 20 Pro is its quad camera setup, and this time it's a true flagship class camera, and it was recently given a DxOMark score of 113. It's a 48-megapixel main camera that uses Sony's IMX586 sensor, and not just that, it also comes with an f1.4 aperture, which is one of the widest in the industry right now for a smartphone. This translates to better low-light performance. You can check out the low-light shots, especially in night mode. There's also a 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera for better versatility. And for the first time for Honor flagship, it gets an 8-megapixel telephoto camera that can give you 3x optical zoom and 5x hybrid zoom. This is similar to the Huawei P20 Pro and Mate 20 Pro. And not just that, both the main and the telephoto camera comes with optical image stabilization. However, the zoom images tend to look quite soft, and my guess is that the Huawei devices might have an extra edge due to its AI-assisted stabilization. And yes, it also gets the epic moon mode like you get on the more expensive Huawei flagship models. For the fourth camera, well, that's a dedicated macro shooter. It shoots at 2 megapixels, which is quite low res, so for me, I hardly use it, so I stick to the main camera that shoots in 12 megapixels by default. I can't say this enough, but the Honor 20 Pro is a true flagship class device. You're getting a Kirin 980 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, and a huge 256 gigs of storage, which unfortunately you can't expand further, but hey, it's 256 gigs, that's more than enough for most people. Apart from the camera, one of the biggest strengths of the Honor 20 Pro is its 4000 mAh battery, which can last a full day. I'm getting an average of 7 hours of screen on time, and that includes the usage of Waze, YouTube, and my typical social media apps. I don't even need to bring my power bank when I'm using the Honor 20 Pro as my daily driver, but be warned that the power management can be a little bit too aggressive at times. If you leave the device on the table for too long, sometimes you won't get any notifications until you wake the screen up. This has to be the best Honor smartphone by far, and although it costs more than 2,000 ringgit, I still recommend it for its cameras, solid build, and an excellent battery life. It's officially retailing for 2,299 ringgit, but you probably can get better deals if you buy it online. That's all for now, and this is the Honor 20 Pro. What do you think about it? Is this a perfect buy for more than 2,000 ringgit? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to us on our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed of our next videos. Don't forget to check out the latest video here, and also another awesome video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next one. Bye!